Good day everybody, we got a beautiful question. We are expected to find the area of the yellow region. We've been given the following figure. And it is creating a triangle here. Now this is going to be 90 degrees. Now let me name it as, this is going to be D there, A, B, C, D, E. Let me name this point as F. We are given EF is 9 units. And let me take this point as G, this point is O, this is H. We are expected to find the area of this region along with this region. So this is the required area that we are looking for. Now this FG is given to be as 3 units. Now let me start the solution. Now foremost, what I wish to do is I would like to draw a line from O to the tangent. Right, so let me take this point as I. So this is the solution. Step 1, we draw a line from O to the tangent at I. Now what happens when we do that? Now this line will make an angle of 90 degrees. So this is going to be making an angle of 90 degrees. Now if I were to take this angle as theta, this would also be theta. Now can you clearly see that AEF and OIF are actually having the same angles? So if this is going to be some alpha, this will also be alpha, because once these two angles are the same, if this is 90, this is theta, this is 90, this is theta, this is going to be alpha. So this is actually both these triangles are similar in nature. Clearly, on observation, we see that AEF and OIF are similar. So this would mean FE will be equal to FI. So this length will be 9 units I have taken this to be as R, so this is going to be R, and OG is going to be R. Therefore, also OF is equal to 3 positive R. So this is actually the hypotenuse side. So this would mean my FA will be equal to 3 positive R. So these are all some of the observations, right, that we can have. Now let me get the value of R. This is the next step. We will find the radius, right? After all, R is nothing but the radius. So how are we going to get the radius? Clearly, OIF is a right angle triangle, triangle. So this would mean we can use Pythagoras, right, theorem. So this means OI squared plus IF squared is equal to OF squared. Now OF squared is 3 positive R raised to the power of 2. IF is R squared, or I should say IF is 9 squared. OI is R squared. Okay. I expand this. This is 81 positive R squared, 9 positive 6R positive R squared can be cancelled. This is going to be 81 negative 9 is equal to 6R. Therefore 6R is equal to 72. R is equal to 12 units, right? So you can put it in a box. So R is equal to 12. So this is going to be 12 units. So let me use this space here. So this would mean OF is equal to 12 positive 3 is equal to 15 units. So that would mean my AF is equal to 15, right? Now let me consider, okay, let me just place that 15, and this is equal to 12, right? So 9, 12, 15. Now this is theta. Let us consider FHC. Now this is going to be 90 degree. Excuse me. And because this is 90, this is theta. Clearly, FEA and FHC are similar. So this would mean they will share an aspect ratio. They will share, and now what does it mean, aspect ratio? What is the meaning of this? Now this radius is 12, this side is going to be 12, diameter is 24, so this entire length, okay, so this would mean FH is equal to 3 positive 24, which is equal to 27. So this is the adjacent side, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. So if I were to compare the adjacent side, what is the adjacent side here? 9. So comparing FE with FH, we see that all because they are similar, right? we see that, what is this? This is 27. 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3 is the aspect ratio. So what is the meaning of this? If this is 27, opposite side this is going to be 12, right? So 12 times 3, this entire length is going to be, you need to multiply it by 3, 36, and this is going to be 45. This is hypotenuse side, so this entire length is going to be 45. So 45, 36 and 27. So we got this triangle sides. Okay, so now the time for us to actually get the net information, right? So what is the net information? As I mentioned to you, we have to get the base of this particular rectangle. So how are we going to get the base of the rectangle? Now clearly you can see that this length is 36. I know this length is 12. So 36 plus 12, that becomes 48. So this entire side is going to be 48. Now the question comes, we need to get this length. So how are we going to get that? Because this would give us the base, right? So let us do that. Now from H to O, 12 units. From O to F, you got 15 units plus 9 units. So all you need to do is we need to add up all those things. So let me do that. So 9 plus 3 plus 12. This is 12 plus 12 units. That's going to be 24 plus 12. That is going to give me 36. So let me write that base down here. So this is 36. So let me utilize a fresh page. So I want the area of the shaded region, yellow region. So area of the yellow region, what is that? That is going to be area of the trapezoid or trapezium subtract area of the semicircle, right? So what is the area of the trapezium? Area of the trapezium is half times base 1 plus base 2 multiplied with height, and area of the semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. So this is going to be 1 over 2 times base 1. Now what is the base here? 12 plus 12, 24. 24, you got two bases. You got the smaller base and the larger base. So the smaller base, let me take that as B2. 24 plus 3, 27. So base 2 is 27. Now the larger base, base 1. Okay, base 1 is going to be 36. This is the larger base, 36. So utilizing these information, 36 plus 27 multiplied with the height. So what is the height here? This is the height here, 12 units multiplied with 12 negative pi times radius is 12, so it's going to be squared there. So what I can do is I can actually take 12 units out and add 36 with 27. That's going to be 13, 1, 63. 12 is already taken out. Negative 12 times pi. So this is what we've got. Now 2 divides here 6 times. So 6 into 63 negative 12 times pi. Now I can take pi as 22 over 7. So this is going to be 6 times 7 3s are 21, 2, 42, 43, negative 22 into 12. 4, 4, 2, 1, 4, 6, 1. 164. 164 divided by 7. So you got 431. 164. That's going to be 7 there. 2, 6 there. From 3 you get 6 times 267 divided by 7. Probably we can multiply that. So that's going to be 6 sevens are 42, 4, 36, 44, 12, and you add 4 to that, that's become 16. Divided by 7. 7 twos are 14, 2, 0. 7 twos are 14 and you get a 6 and a 2. 7 eights are 56 and a 6 and a point and a 0, 8. So this is approximately 228.8, or I can simply say 228.9 square units, right? So that is the area of the yellow region. Please give your comments, and until we meet again, thank you.